All right, in the basement here, so we got 2 bedrooms in the basement. We'll take out the boiler, take out the water heater, new ductwork throughout, new plumbing throughout. Bedroom back there, bedroom over here. This is the common area. Insulation on the walls. New electrical work throughout. All the wires been cut. Keep this bathroom where it is. The laundry room, keep the laundry room where it is. Keep the sump pump where it is. And then take that window out back there. Insulation throughout here. Keep this closet where it is. And then another bedroom back here. Take out this window here. Okay, and then this is the pipe from the, looks like 1.5 inch from the kitchen. Connected to the stack over there. All right. Now these floors are twisted. We're not leveling these floors, right? The floors are twisted. They're going down like this.
Oh yeah, I see it from here. Yeah, we need to talk about that. Yeah. I think they was that way because of the sump pump was on that way. She used to get water down here.
Closet. This was her closet. Now we're
downstairs.
keeping this closet the way it is.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't tell them about the fire department coming last night, and about that fire.
So you keep this at the closet?
This closet staying the way it is, or this is we want to take it down and do something else?
Who's coming down here?
Not my mama, cause this is where I stayed.
What, did anybody come down? Cause this would be somebody gotta come down. It's been all this space instead of everybody being cramped upstairs.
Oh no, the 2 bedrooms gonna stay down here.
Okay.
This is gonna stay down here, and I guess, what could we do with that? That used to be
Your closet. That used to be your closet.
Yeah, that used to be my closet, but before then, it used to be like a dining room eating area. And I had like